Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a preloader on your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now go to the site you want to edit, give it a click on select and edit site, and then just wait for your dashboard to load. Once loaded, you're going to be right here. So right now go to the left and then here you're going to find all of these sections. So right now, go to the bottom and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So this is basically going to be the Wix website editor. So just wait for this page to load. And then once loaded, this is how it will look like. If you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you customize and design your site. So right now, first of all, go to add element and then go to embed code. Once you do that, go ahead and click on embed HTML. And then once you do that, you're going to be here. It will be added right here. And then you need to add your code right here. So right now, in order to bring the code for the loader, go ahead and open a new tab. And in that new tab, go ahead and right here, go ahead and type loader like this, and then type free font end. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter, and then go ahead and click on the first line. Once you do that, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find a lot of loader designs. So go ahead and choose the design that you like, and then give it a click. So click on demo and code, and then you're going to be right here. And once here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the all of the types of the code. Here you're going to find the CSS, HTML, and so on. So right now, go ahead and copy this HTML code, and then go back and paste it right here, and then click on update. Once you click on update, just wait for this code to load, and then it will be added right here. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.